Are you having any thoughts about selling your Irvine property or moving to the sun-drenched neighborhoods of Irvine or the surrounding cities? Since 2004, I've been a dedicated realtor in this captivating area, consistently ranked among the top 1% of agents countywide. Why? Because I'm passionate about guiding my clients in helping you navigate the complex, sometimes daunting process of buying and selling property. Having lived in the region for over 30 years, I've come to intimately know Irvine's unique areas or villages. I understand the charm, advantages, and subtle differences each has to offer. During our buyer consultation, we're going to dive deep into your dream property checklist. Drawing on my extensive network, I'll unveil both MLS-listed homes and exclusive off-market opportunities that perfectly fit your requirements. When it comes to selling, you deserve more than just a for sale sign in your yard. Stellar marketing targets potential buyers, captures their attention wherever they are, be it online, around town, or across the country. From preparing your home for market, coordinating any necessary contractor work, to staging, I ensure your home's first impression becomes a lasting one. Our teams of skilled contractors are at your disposal, ready to deliver top quality work, whether it's a minor tweak or a complete remodel. Being tech savvy and deeply understanding the digital age, I invest significantly in promoting your home, combining powerful online campaigns, eye-catching social media posts, and classic print materials. Expect to be dazzled by the immersive 3D virtual tours, the professional photography, walkthrough and drone videography, a dedicated website for your property, direct mail campaigns, and so much more. We'll host a grand open house complete with yummy, delicious food, drumming up the buzz and demand for your property. As a certified negotiation expert, I am committed to getting the best deals and always ensuring your interests are protected. Whether it's houses, condos, or investment properties, I am here to guide you with every step of the way. I invite you to read the glowing reviews on Zillow and Google from past clients, attesting to my dedication, honesty, and commitment to exceptional service. Choosing a realtor to entrust with your largest asset is no small decision. Who you work with truly matters. I am Debbie Sigorin, and I'm proudly associated with Coldwell Banker Realty in Irvine, and I am committed to serving you and all your real estate needs. Let's transform your dreams into reality together.